So hello everyone, before I start my speech, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Russell Rode Munoz, a first year student, and my course is BSBA HRM. So the title of my speech is Why Do We Need to Eat 3 times a day? Eating 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, is a common routine followed by many people worldwide. This habit is influenced by culture, lifestyle, and science. Regular meals provide the body with the necessary nutrients and energy to function properly throughout the day. But why is this pattern important for our health? One of the main reasons for eating 3 meals a day is to maintain a steady supply of energy. Our bodies need to fuel to perform daily activities, from thinking and studying to exercising and working. Skipping meals can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating. Another factor is metabolism. Eating regularly helps keep our metabolism active, allowing our bodies to digest food efficiently and absorb nutrients. If we skip meals, our metabolism may slow down, leading to problems such as weight gain or nutrient deficiency. Additionally, eating at regular intervals helps stabilize blood sugar levels. When we go too long without eating, blood sugar can drop, causing symptoms like irritability, headaches, and weakness. Consuming balanced meals throughout the day ensures that our bodies function properly and remain in good health. Eating 3 times a day is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting metabolism, and keeping blood sugar level stable. While meal frequency may vary based on personal needs and cultural traditions, having a consistent eating schedule contributes to overall health and well-being. Therefore, following a balanced diet with regular meals is a key part of healthy lifestyle. Thank you.